morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about synthetic fibers and plastics. Okay. In this class, we will discuss about types of plastics. In our life, we are using so many types of plastics. This is also plastic, and this one also plastic. So many things are made up of most of the things plastics. Okay. So these plastics are mainly categorized like two parts. Those are thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. What are they? Thermoplastics, thermosetting plastics. Sir, what is the differences between thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics? Let us see. Thermoplastics. Thermoplastics is nothing but when we are heated, the object, that is shape changes immediately. If we take in this one, this is also made up of with plastic. We heated this one, this object, this sketch pen. What will happen? It will be melt. Yes, it changes shapes. So these examples undercomes thermoplastics. Examples for the thermoplastic is polythene, PVC, etc. Okay, children. So go for the second category, thermosetting plastics. So thermosetting plastics, it does not change the shape when we heat it. These thermosetting plastics does not change the shapes when it is heated. Like the examples in our electrical things, electrical items, the switches and cooker pan handle or cooker handle. Okay, cooker, rice cooker and pan handles and switches, switchboard. Okay, switchboard. These are made up of with thermosetting plastics. So the examples for the thermosetting plastics is bakelite and melamine. Okay, bakelite and melamine. These thermosetting plastics does not change when it heated, but thermoplastics are, these plastics are changes. Okay, so the plastics types, we have 7 types: PET, HDPE, PVC, LDPE, PP, PS and others. These are 7 types of plastics. PET. PET is examples: soft bottles, soft drink bottles, films, wires. So many things are made up of with PET. Polyethylene terephthalate. HDPE, high density polyethylene, second category. PVC, polyvinyl chloride. LDPE, low density polyethylene. PP, polypropylene. PS, polystyrene and others. Okay, children. In next class, we will discuss about materials, biodegradable, non-biodegradable. Thank you.